Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. So today I will be teaching you all a story. I will be telling you all a story, and the name of the story is The Thirsty Crow. Okay, so you love to hear stories, right? So listen to the story carefully, and then I will ask you some questions which you will have to answer in a full sentence. Okay, so first listen to the story carefully. The name of the story is The Thirsty Crow. You can look at this crow here in this picture on the screen. This is a crow and this is a pot of water. And what does the crow have in his mouth? He's got some stones, pebbles in his mouth. Okay? So listen to this story carefully. Okay? One hot sunny day, a crow was feeling very thirsty. He looked for water here and there, but could not find water anywhere. At last, he saw a pot of water. He flew and he went to drink it. But what happened when he went to drink the water from the pot? He saw that the water was right down in the pot. There was very little water in the pot and the crow could not reach it. So what did the crow do? He was wondering what to do. So he thought of a plan. He saw pebbles around the pot. You know what are pebbles? They are stones. He saw some stones lying all around the pot. So what did the crow do? He thought of a plan. He picked up the pebbles one by one with his beak and drop them into the pot. You can see this pot here and you can see the pebbles in the crow's mouth. Yes, he picked up the pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pot. Yes, again he flew, he picked up some more with his beak and dropped them into the pot. So as he kept doing this, dropping the pebbles one by one, what happened to the water? The water started rising. The water came up. The crow drank the water happily and flew away. Yes. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, where there is a will, there is a way. Okay. So, you like the story, children? Now, I'll ask you some questions and I will tell you the answers also. So, listen carefully. You have to answer in full sentences. Okay, children? First, listen to the question. Okay? And the first question is, who was very thirsty? And the answer is, a crow was very thirsty. Okay? Now I'm asking you the question once again. Who was very thirsty? What is the answer? And the answer is, a crow was very thirsty. Okay, children? So you don't have to repeat the question. You have to answer only the answer you have to give me, and that too in a full sentence. Okay? Once again I'm asking you, who was very thirsty? And the answer is, a crow. Repeat after me. A crow was very thirsty. Say everybody, very thirsty. A crow was very thirsty. Okay, children? Now let's go to the next question. And the next question is, what did the crow see? The question is, what did the crow see? And what is the answer? The answer is, the crow saw a pot with very little water in it. Okay? What did the crow see? The crow saw a pot with very little water in it. Okay? I'll ask you once again. What did the crow see? And the answer is, the crow saw a pot with very little water in it. Okay? Now you repeat the answer after me. What did the crow see? The answer is, the crow, repeat after me, the crow saw a pot, say after me, a pot with very little water in it. Okay, we go to the next question. That's question 3. And the question is, what did the crow do? What did the crow do? And the answer is, the crow dropped some stones into the pot, one by one. Okay? Again, what is the question? What did the crow do? And what is the answer? The crow dropped some stones into the pot, one by one. Okay? I take it once again. What did the crow do? What is the answer? Repeat the answer after me. The crow dropped some stones into the pot, one by one. Say once again. What did the crow do? The answer is the crow dropped some stones into the pot, one by one. We go to the last question, and the question is, what happened to the water? Okay? What happened to the water? And the answer is, the water came up, the crow drank the water and flew away happily. Okay? What happened to the water? The water came up, the crow drank the water and flew away happily. Take it to the last time. What happened to the water? The water came up, the crow drank the water and flew away happily. So hope you all enjoyed today's class and hope you all enjoyed today's story. Okay? Keep practicing these questions and answers at home, and I'll see you in my next class. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Preschool Geniuses and click on the bell icon to receive more videos.